Hello everyone. This video I'm going to show you guys how I made my controller theoretically last forever unless its motherboard breaks. Otherwise you can literally use the controller forever. As you guys can see, it's just a regular controller, that regular. And the thumbsticks works normal, both sides, but actually those thumbsticks are modified into hot plug-in on the motherboard inside of this controller. You just can't see it outside, but inside the shape and the look, the appearance are a little different. Well, it's just after modding your controller into hot plug-in thumbsticks, you will be able to easily switch or replace your disabled or damaged, like drifted thumbsticks, whatever, when you need to. Just simply, when you open the controller, I'll show you later how you do it after you open the controller. It's just like pull the thumbstick module off and then get a new one, plug in. Easy as So every time when you want to replace your thumbstick modules, it probably only takes you $1 or $2. What I mean is, after modding your controller into hot plug-in, that you don't have to repair your controller every time when you see your thumbsticks started to drift or not going back to the center or even damaged. And you don't even have to buy a new one. You just replace the thumbsticks, and so the controller's other parts will also be easy to find. Except the motherboard, you don't have to replace it. So I think it's great for all controller users. And this method is not limited on only the PS controllers, DualShock controllers, or the Xbox controllers. The method is literally can be used on any controller that is available on the market. So I'm gonna show you what it's look like inside the controller. Okay, we're in the controller. Now on the front, it's just a normal looking DualShock 4. But on the back of the controller, you can see I have used 2 thumbstick drift fixer to adjust the thumbsticks into the center. The left thumbstick testing good, so I'm gonna take it off and show you guys what it looks like underneath. You can simply pull the cap gently and it's off. It's just a 70-cent aftermarket module. As you can see, these orange little things here has little holes. They're called the gold eyelets or the grommets. You can buy it on, online, anywhere for a few bucks with a lot quantities. These are usually very, very cheap to get. And all you need to do is getting a tool that is called hollow needle. You just drill the holes originally on the motherboard and expand the hole a little bit bigger to be able to put those gold eyelets into the holes and solder those gold eyelets. After solder it down, you will be able to just plug in and plug out your thumbstick module. So the gold eyelets, for the size that I use, it also can be very commonly used on any other thumbstick modules. So the up 3 gold eyelets and the left side 3 gold eyelets are size 1.2. Those 4 gold eyelets for the micro switch, which is for L3 or R3, are 1.1 millimeters. They're all millimeters. You can buy it anywhere you want. And then do what I said. Then the process will be done. You just have to be very careful when you're doing it. Don't break the motherboard. Gently drill the holes. Gently expand the hole. And be patient. It can take you maybe a whole day or even 2 days. But as long as you have patience, it's not a hard job. You just have to be careful. And that's it. Now I'm plugging back the thumbstick module on my left thumbstick module positions. With the contacts into the holes, you just need to gently press it down and feeling when it's very tight, and then you can release your fingers. Test it again. Everything works fine. Then it's successful. There's one thing I need to say. Before you putting your module into the gold eyelets, it's highly recommended that you pull the contacts on the 2 resistors on your module outward a little bit first, then put it into the holes of the gold eyelets. That would make the contacts on the resistors having better connections with the parts in the gold eyelets. And that's how you make your controller's thumbstick swappable. I hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching. Give me a like.